The world is moving forward, but plain old telephone service, POTS, is stuck in the past. Costs are skyrocketing, reliability is declining, and regulations are phasing out this outdated technology. Many critical systems, elevators, fire alarms, and security lines still rely on POTS lines. But here's the good news. Fusion Connect has the perfect digital replacement solution for these systems. Our POTS replacement offers a compliant, reliable, and cost-effective alternative. With features like a 24-hour battery backup, multiple SIMs for redundant connectivity, and ongoing monitoring, we ensure your critical systems stay connected. It's that simple. And that's what we do. Fusion Connect makes the complex simple. Whether you're upgrading critical systems or transitioning traditional desk phones, we're here every step of the way. Say goodbye to outdated infrastructure and say hello to reliable, future-ready communication. Contact us today to get started.